Hi, everybody, and thanks for joining me again today. Today, I wanted to go over a little bit of the utilization of Semrush for SEO optimization. First, I do need to make a brief disclaimer that I am a Semrush affiliate, and as such, I may receive a commission or payment if you click any of the links provided through my videos and make a purchase. Um, Please know, though, that although I am an affiliate, I do give honest reviews and only highlight on the aspects that I use and have found useful. So here I am on my Semrush dashboard, and I've loaded in my website, demunshomestead.com, as a project. And what I want to look at today with you is the site audit feature. You can see here that there are various columns for various audits and tools. My site audit currently shows that my site health is at 79% and that it's gone up by 3% recently. So I'm going to click the 79% and it's going to load the next page here. So on this next page, we have an overview of site health, and we can see various different things. We can see that 79% site health that we looked at on the previous page. It comparing to top 10 websites that are at 92%. It's not quite where it should be. We can see that there are 18 errors found, 96 warnings found, 189 notices found. There are also rankings for crawlability, HTTPS utilization, site performance, internal linking, and markups. Those are all pretty good standing down there on those. We can see down here that there's a breakdown based on crawled pages, how many pages have been crawled, which ones are healthy, broken, have issues, redirects, or are blocked. And then these are the top issues down here. So what I wanted to look at with you today is the top issues. If we look here, we see we have duplicate content errors on 5 pages, duplicate title tags on 5 pages, long title elements on 10 pages, low word counts on 14 pages, and duplicate meta descriptions on 8 pages. Over here, we have a why and how to fix this. So we're going to take this top one with duplicate content and we're going to click the why and how to fix this. And you can see it tells us about the issue. Websites are considered duplicates if their content is 85% or more identical. Well, it doesn't say or more, I appended that in. Having duplicate content may significantly affect the SEO performance. Essentially, when Google or other search engines look at your website, if they see the same exact content on many different pages, they see those pages as being the exact same page, and they're not going to get properly indexed so that all of your website pages appear in search results. Now here's how to fix it. Here's a few ways. You can add a rel canonical link to one of your duplicate pages in order to inform the search engine which page to show in the search results. You can use a 301 redirect from a duplicate page back to the original one. You can use a rel next and rel previous link attribute to fix the pagination duplicates. You can instruct the Google bot to handle URL parameters differently using Google Search Console. You can provide unique content on each web page. And then for more information on these processes, you can go and read these articles, duplicate content and consolidate duplicate URLs. Those articles are very in-depth and will take you step by step through exactly what you need to do. Um, we have other things here for issues, duplicate title tags, long title element, low word count, duplicate meta descriptions. And for each of those, you can click the why and how to fix it, and you can read about what that issue is, how you can fix that issue, and then you can get to links for additional articles that show you more. It's very, very handy for making sure that your website is fully optimized for SEO performance. Now, I also want to look at here where it says issues on this tab. You can see that this breaks down a little bit further and it gives the duplicate title tags, duplicate content, and other things that were available on the other one. But if we click, like say here, 5 pages have duplicate content issues, we can go 5 pages And look, we can see each page that has a duplicate content issue. That page, that page, that page, that page, that page. And we can expand a little bit here and we can see some additional information within that page. We have these pages. And from there, that lets you know where to focus. And you can go and you can look at those pages in your website project. All right, now I'm going to navigate to a different area here. I'm going to pause the video for just a moment and I will be right back with you. All right, so here I've navigated to the keyword gap tool, which is right here on the left column. And on the keyword gap tool, you can put in your website and competitors' websites, and you can compare keywords that they are using successfully versus what you're using. So to come up with the competitor's website, I searched the word homesteading on Google, and I took the top 3 websites that appear in the Google search results. I put my website, of course, at the top where it says you, and we're going to click compare. Now, once it loads the report, it's going to come up and it's going to show us what keywords we have that overlap with those other websites versus what keywords they have that we are not using. And you can see that we have 0 shared keywords. So none of the keywords that I'm using on my website overlap with any of those competitors. That's a problem for SEO. That's a big problem. But we can look here and we can see our top opportunities for keywords. That wants me to get a pro plan in order to view the further details. I have to say I am currently on the free plan, but I will be upgrading to pro at the beginning of this next month. But we can see here, chicken nesting box dimensions is on the other websites, but it's not on mine. Homesteading separated into 2 words is on the other websites, but it's not on mine. Homesteading all as 1 word comes up as being missing from my website, even though it's on their websites. Now, homesteading is on my website, so I'm going to have to dig further into that to see why it shows that homesteading is not shared between the competitors' websites and mine, but I can say for sure these other keywords are not on my website. The laundry detergent ones, I don't have anything on my website that deals with laundry detergent, so we won't worry about that right now. Um, but you can also see the volume. So 14,800, that's a pretty good volume of searches based on that keyword. We want to make sure that that is in key places on our website. But you also want to make sure when you go through your website that you're not spamming keywords. You want them to flow naturally and you want them to integrate into the text that you're writing without seeming like you're just placing keywords in order to get search results. And SEMrush has tools for that as well, and we can write our content using SEMrush's tools and make sure that those keywords flow naturally. So that's about all I'm going to fit into this video today. There is so much here to go over. I mean, you can see down the side here, there are so many different tools and sections, and there's just so much that you can do with SEMrush to make sure that your website is going to come up at the top of the results. And my goal here is to make this website come up #1 in Google results or as close to it as I can possibly get by the time all is said and done. And just for your reference, in case you're wondering, this website is only a few months old and I get to work on it maybe 30 minutes a week. So I would say having a 79% health on this website is pretty good for the amount of time that I've been able to put into it. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and check my description on this video for that link that will let you get a free trial to all of SEMrush's features. That's the one thing I love about this. You can get a free trial and you can try every feature that they have before you even decide whether or not you want to buy the product. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone.